2026 list of invoicing platforms. You do not have to send a Google Doc, a Canva PDF in order to get paid and invoice a client. There are invoicing platforms that you can use and get paid immediately. Here are just a few of them that I absolutely love. Let's start with my number one, which is SquareUp. With SquareUp, you have the ability to send out invoices both automatically and manually. They also have the link option. So SquareUp actually provides you with an option where you can go in and create a custom link. Whenever I used to do a lot of my freelancing, when I would go out and record content for clients, I would use my Square link, and all I had to do was send them the link and they would make the payment there. I get the payment immediately into my SquareUp account. We were good, right? So, and it has a way for you to get tips, for you to receive tips and all that good stuff. I absolutely love SquareUp. That's my platform. Now, they do charge fees, and I hear a lot of people complaining about their fees, but they're a business just like we're a business. We got to pay either way it go. I'd rather pay and make sure I get my monies right away than to be having to worry about it and deal with the back and forth, right? So they're very reputable, and you also get a Square loan from them. Even if you're a sole proprietor, you can get a loan if you need to have those moments where you don't have the cash flow and you need some cash flow. SquareUp will do that for you. The second platform that I absolutely love and I recommend is called Stripe. Now with Stripe, you can send out invoicing. A lot of people utilize Stripe for SaaS tools and things like that, but they don't know that you can actually send invoices. You can actually send invoices with Stripe. It's a great platform and they do pay you immediately. There used to be a time when you had to wait 2 to 3 business days to get paid from Stripe. You can get paid right away these days. Next platform I absolutely love, which comes right in as a absolute amazing platform, is Bill. Now with Bill, which is Bill, you can actually go in and send out invoices. You can do accounts receivable and accounts payable inside of Bill. You can also get an advance on your payments. So let's say you're working with a client and they're doing a net 30, they take 30 days to pay you and they're dragging their feet. You can go in and Bill will see that you have a bill sent out and that payment has been authorized, and they will front you the money. They do charge a small fee to do that, but I think it's great when you're like in that middle ground and you need immediate revenue or you need access to funds while you're waiting on this 30 days. You don't have to wait the 30 days. You can go ahead, get those funds, know that you'll pay them. Sometimes it's like $20 or $30. It's really very inexpensive. Of course, if you have a larger amount, it's probably a bit more. But for the use that you need to use it for, it's amazing. Next one, PayPal. I'm going to say that. Just be careful. I tend to hesitate to recommend, but I'm going to recommend it anyway because I do still use it, is PayPal. So PayPal does have an invoicing feature. I've used PayPal for eons now. Ever since I first started my business, I started off on PayPal. But I will say that PayPal has its icks, okay? If you get a certain amount of influx of a lot of money, then they start tripping and holding on to your money. You don't want that. So I would say to use the other platforms if you absolutely must use PayPal. I use PayPal to pay a lot of my VAs, but just be careful. That's all I got to say. Next up is Dubsado. Dubsado is a really great platform. I've used them once or twice. I did not continue to use them, and I'm not quite sure why, but something about them was just off and I didn't use it anymore. So, but they are a really great platform. They do work for a function. HoneyBook is a really great platform as well. HoneyBook had a monthly fee on top of, I think, a percentage fee that they were taking. So I bypassed them, although they are really great, especially if you do any type of service type businesses where you're like doing hair or photography or something like that. And that platform is really great because they also have a calendar built in. So you get a calendar, you get, all these different features. You can add your contracts in there, so on and so forth. So it's a really great platform. Zoho Invoice. Zoho Invoice is okay. I just don't like how clunky their platform is. Now, they may have done some updates, but I don't use them regularly. So I'm just going to say they're an honorable mention because I don't use them regularly. FreshBooks is another one. Again, okay. Don't use them regularly, so I don't really have much to say, but they are an honorable mention. I do want to just at least mention them. You may want to take a look and see what they have available. Is Wave. So Wave is a platform that used to be 120% free, but now they do charge a fee. But like I said, you're going to be paying those fees out. It's better for you to pay those fees now, be done with it, get your monies, and go on with your life. So another honorable mention is QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks does have an invoicing platform. Sage is another great one, which is an honorable mention. Those are the platforms that I recommend 2026 edition. If you have any questions or comments about any of this, or you'd like to hear more of the tools that I use inside of my business, just comment the word tools and I'll do more videos just like this, giving you guys all the tools that I use. You can also click the link, you know where to find it. Link in my bio. I go through and give you guys a long list of the tools that I use. More of my reviews on these tools, because I'm gonna give you the real, right? If a tool is too hard for me to use, if it's too clunky, if I can't figure it out within the first 3 to 4 minutes, I am out. I don't use it anymore. You won't see me again, okay? Y'all in the next video. Peace.